subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
As we all know, Xiaomi has stopped making its Mi Note and Mi Max series phones for a long time. And the earlier post by Xiaomi CEO Lei Jun also confirmed that there are no plans for the Mi Note and Mi Max series for this year. But now it seems like the plans might have changed. Recently, a new tweet by a popular leakster Ice Universe claims that the Mi Note series is coming back with Mi Note 10 and that is set to release as early as the end of October. The last model from this series was Mi Note 3 that was released more than 3 years ago. Earlier, the first two generations of Xiaomi Mi Note series used to be company's premier phablet model that offered flagship specifications and a large screen at that time. But then with Mi Note 3, the company has decided to tone down the specs and offered a smaller display. Since then, the Redmi series has gotten better each year with their new models like K20 along with their Pro variants that has clearly fulfilled the place of upper mid-range series. For now, we will have to wait for the confirmation from Xiaomi if Mi Note series is really coming back or not. And what do you guys think? Mi Note series should be back or not? Do let us know in the comment section below. And stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.